Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to unboxing. This package is from Hobium.com from Turkey. Please check your parcel for damages before you accept it. This is the second time I'm buying because they had a great deal, about 45% off. So what I did is I did an unboxing. Just was it last week? About this. Oh, if you want to go and check it with the bag, I bought these with knitting needles and yarn and so on. So I went back and bought more knitting needles, and the box isn't that heavy at all. So it came with DHL, and I did not pay custom fee. I paid 25 American dollar for shipping. Oh, it doesn't say how much it's weighing. It weighs. Usually it says how much it weighs. But yeah, so I paid $25 American. And this box is so nice and clean. I can reuse this box. Okay, let's open and see. For the needles, I went back. Oh, so I bought another ball of this yarn. On my previous, I bought total of 4. Now I have 5, so I can knit a decent. Oh, great! They sent me another bag. How exciting! Nice. And I thought to myself, okay, let me try this. I'm not gonna buy anymore because everything is back to regular price, which is disappointing, because I was gonna buy some more knitting needles because they were a great deal when I compare it to in Canada, if I bought it in Canada, and if I bought it, you know, with the shipping fee. So I thought it was a great deal, but unfortunately the prices went back. And I bought another bag of this so I can make something. Remember, I was saying that I have a bag of 400 gram from Ice Yarn I purchased, and I thought they looked like the same color, but this one is more pastel. So I went and bought another bag. So I want to make one for myself. I just love this color. Oh my goodness, I love the greens. I love the, can you see the oranges, the purple, just fantastic. Okay, and then I bought this color. I thought to myself, because I wanted to use my limit for $24 shipping, because when you add 3 items, it jumps to $24. So I thought to myself, why not use that advance, right? So I filled it in until it went. If I go over, if I buy another item, it jumps to, I think, $30 shipping fee. So I try to go that limit for $24. Yeah. So with this, I will knit. There's, oh, so 3 hanks. So I bought 3 of this color. I thought there were 4. 3 of this color because it's 450. Yeah. So with this one, I have total of 4. Yeah. Look, I can knit a cardigan with this yarn. And the recommendation knitting needles. I usually knit them with 6mm knitting needles. And this one says 5. It's really hard to see. So tiny. Can you see the 5? But you can knit up to an 8mm. I don't think it would be any problem. But I use the 6 or 6.5. Yeah. So this is nice as well. So stay tuned for those. I will. Oh yeah, unfortunately, yeah. What I did is I added the 3, and I had to remove one because the shipping fee was going overboard. Okay, so I last time I bought the 6mm. Now I bought the 7, and I bought the 8. I just want it in my hand just to be on the safe side. Let's remove this box. We're done with it. So this way I don't have to, you know, I have so many whips, and most of my and I use circular needles and they're all occupied, so I can't. So what I'll do is I'm going to start a custom order, and this is about 1 meter long. So I really like working with circular needles. I don't know if you guys ever tried it. If you, I would highly recommend. See how long they are? These are 7 and they're very light. Okay, let's try with this. I saw this on a video. See, I didn't buy that many, but it's over 50 American dollars, yeah. So when you go over 50 American dollars, you get a bag. That's what it says. I think these bags have limited. This is all I bought. Like oh, the other bag fell. Look, I didn't buy many, and they put it in a huge box. But that's okay. I can put my my projects in them. Okay, see, I'll just show you how it works. Just a small amount. You can even crochet with this yarn if you're a crocheter. But I didn't buy any crocheting hooks because I love my tulips. Let me just show. This is a 7. It's very light. And then it is, can you see? It has that cubics, but it's very light. Yeah, very light. If you look at it, come on, focus. Can you see? So it's nice and it's very light. Again, it's the Knit Pro. I don't knit with this kind of big needles, but you need to knit with this mohair yarn. Did I tell you the content? They're all made in Turkey. It's 13% mohair. Come on, focus. 67% acrylic, 4% polyamide, and 16% polyester. Okay, these are all different. Like acrylic and polyester are not the same. The polyamide makes it soft, so it is super soft. Very nice to work with. Oops. So if you want to get rid of this curl on the wires, what you can do is when you're boiling water, just put this wire, like hold it like this, and it will straighten. So it would be no problem at all. Oops, so soft, it just keeps on coming out. So I'm just knitting. Just like this. Just to give you the bigger needles that I think I was mentioning, that the bigger needles you use, you see, can you see these fluffy, this fuzzy? So we don't want to shut them down, so we want them to be nice and soft. That's why you need to knit mohair with bigger needles. See? Very nice to work with. Just wanted to show you. Okay, just take this off and show it to you. See how it looks? Doesn't this look nice? Oh wow, I'm gonna make a, I don't know, scarf with this. My Addi knitting machine, the needles are about an 8mm knitting needles when you knit them up, so I might knit a scarf with this. I'm sure it will turn out fantastic. So yeah, because the colorways are pretty long, so I'm sure with this, I only wanted to see the color. That's why I bought this. Just one ball, and then I already had 3, so now I have 4 of that. And then meanwhile I was adding these, and I still had $24 shipping fee. But as soon as I added another needle or another ball, the shipping fee would jump from 24 to 30, I believe, 30 or 32. And yeah, so you need to be cautious if you don't want to buy so much and you want to get the free bag. Again, I did not pay custom fee, so I'm thrilled. When you don't pay custom fee and you live in Canada, it's like, yay! Because the yarns is expensive. Like, okay, these were on sale, so I did get a great deal, but still I had to pay shipping fee. If you don't want to pay shipping fee, you have to spend over $150 American, which I didn't want to. And there was no sale when I purchased the first bag. Like, the yarns were on regular price. See? But they had a 15% discount. So that was another thing. So I had to go back and you know, get some more knitting needles. And then share it with you guys. So I hope you like this unboxing. I know it's a short one. But I do have 2 more huge boxes sitting here. And I will try to unbox them because I can't wait to see what's inside. Well, you guys take care. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends, and happy knitting, happy crocheting.